Hello traders, this is Dave, Triple Threat Trading, head trader of the live trading room. It's February 27, 2011. I'm going to go through some charts here as well as the trading results for the month of February. We'll go through some quick charts here. The daily chart of Euro Yen. Euro Yen let's blow this up a little bit. Euro Yen. And trading in this little triangle here. We broke it. Came back up to retest that trend line and roll back over. We'll see if we get a push lower or higher. In between the 38.2 and 50% held. If we go out here to the weekly chart, sort of making this wedge here. See if we can move back down here to the bottom. Daily. Also on the daily. Head. Looks to be a head. Left shoulder, right shoulder area. This would be the neckline. Sometimes they'll come back down and test the head and then take off. But as you look over here, they don't always work. Okay, we had a little breakout here. Actually, this one, get out of this. Didn't quite make it all the way up to the target. It failed in this resistance area here and rolled right over. Euro dollar. Oof. Okay. Flagpole, bull flag. Bull flag breaks out. Come back, retest top of bull flag, up and out. Also, we have this rising wedge pattern, which we broke out of on Friday. It came down to around the 61.8 of this impulse move. Bounced. So we closed. We opened on this candle and closed on this candle. So watch that. Here. Left shoulder, right shoulder, head. Also in here, we got a cup, a possible handle forming. So we'll watch this euro dollar. It seems every time it comes down, they buy it right back up. See what next week brings. Let's go with this Aussie dollar really quick. Aussie dollar broke out of this symmetrical triangle. See if they get a pullback and test this trend line and then take off, or come back down into here sometimes and take off, or we'll just fail and come out of there. Then you got sort of the cup with handle, and we could take off there. So your projection, this breakout here would be up around 1.07 area. We also do this. One drive, two drives, three drives to bring us into about the target area of that breakout. This is about 105. This is near 107. So maybe doing 1, 2, 3 drives. Here's the pound yen daily. Yen, right shoulder, left shoulder, head, breakout, test the neckline, and we'll see what they go, where they go from here. If we go out to the weekly here, this weekly, this one here. Take this off here. We never even made it back to the 50%, in between the 38.2 and 50%. We take this. We take that. It's all part of the same neckline, trend line. So basically we've broken out that trend line and coming back down to test it. Sort of a falling wedge pattern here. So we'll see what they want to do with this one. Dollar Swiss trading in this channel. We were long from down in here, and we actually got out 4 pips from the high before it rolled over and dropped about 500. Take your head, we had like a little head and shoulders top, but your projection was right around in here. And the dollar yen here, this is more like a bear flag on this yen. Our projection for that would be down into this area. Should we break lower around the 75, 76 area. Looking like a bull flag, a bear flag here, bear pennant. the futures. Indexes. Daily chart of the index. The Dow. Let's get rid of this stuff here. Fibbo. Delete. Fib. Index is sold off pretty good. Right to the 618. Getting the bounce here. And move back up here to here, right around in here. 12,300 area. Or we're just going to keep on chugging higher here. Come down here. 618 held and up we went. And left shoulder, right shoulder, break out higher. So watch this one. Oil. I want to go look at oil here. This oil has a butterfly pattern on it. And briefly spiked above it. It's been running up before the crude inventories, and when the crude inventories came out, and down we went. Like a $6 drop. Actually, more was I got high around 103. Yeah, 103. And that same day we had dropped down. Actually, we had dropped all the way down to about 95 something. It was like an $8 drop. But got this gap in here. This is the weekly, daily. At least the support area. 92 area. So anyway, let's go over these this top and pattern, this nasty, big old nasty candle here, and pin bar and heating oil. Now we've come back up here to test this 50%. Yeah, right on the 50%. So it'll be interesting to see if they roll this over from here. Alright, for February, our results were 1,298 total pips. A profit basis on a $20,000 account using 2 mini lots per trade. So as you can see, the winners bigger than losers for the most part here. Risk to reward ratios on our trades usually anywhere from 1 to 2 to 1. Sometimes we get into trades that are 1 to 10. So they don't always go to the profit target of the 10 area, but we don't end their trades unless they're at least 1 to 2. So great month. Maintain discipline. We stuck to our money management rules. We stuck to our trading rules. So great week, great month. We'll see you in the room.